Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing something different. I have my kids right here. Tell them your name.
Mia.
You?
Ray. Subscribe to my channel at the Flaming Creeper.
Today I'm gonna be letting them do my makeup. I'm not gonna see myself. I have like a bunch of makeup right here for them, and they're gonna do like half and half, and they're gonna get to do whatever they want to my face. So yeah, let's get started.
I love this color because I'm gonna make a unicorn on this side. Cause my boy way over there, the Flaming Creeper, he's gonna do it the clown right there.
Your turn.
I'm gonna be on one side of my mom's face. I'm gonna be doing Pennywise the Dancing Clown from It Chapter 1, the one with the pole stick through the eyeball, and I'm gonna try to just make like the face out.
Okay, so I guess they decided to do Halloween makeup since it is October. So let's get started.
Yeah. All right, let's get some stuff.
Wait.
Yeah. Oh my god.
All right.
You look scary.
So there's half and half.
Okay, I need to look at my things. All right. Okay. Mom, put your lip up. I need to get this brush. You can barely see me. Like these. What's that side?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, how do I also use white paint?
I'm gonna do your powder. Mom, is this the powder for your cheeks, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Why you tell her? Under my feet. Alright. Just try not to get it in here. Okay. Oh, that's a pretty color. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna be doing Pennywise, and right now I am doing the white face. So right now I'm gonna do the eyeshadow right now. The eyeshadow. Of course I'm gonna get pink.
Hold on,
Right there. There we go. It was in this looking really heavy with that. Boom. Alright, now I need to do this. Then what's that side? Now I'm gonna use a different color on this side. Okay. Okay, that's good. What?
Nothing.
3. Okay, now like a line. It's funny once I do. Alright, I need red.
You're gonna set my foundation with black?
No, wait. What's the foundation thing?
The white one.
Oh, okay. I need to look up. Oh my god, that's so good.
Yeah. You poked my eye.
Oh my god, this is so fun. Yeah, this is so fun. Right now, then black. What's this?
Wait, this.
Mommy,
you have to blend this out.
I need black. On your eye? Mom?
Yeah. Remember how I do my clients' makeup?
Look up. Okay. Okay, I need to get some black. Blend it up. There you go. Now guys, I'm done blending now. Now it's time to do the glitter. Alright. Got that eyebrow done. Need a Tracy Lee thing about my mom just did for the line. Then I can make a horn out of the head. I'm not really talking, I'm just... Is it this to help?
You're gonna do a what?
A horn on top of my mom's hair.
You can use it.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna need a rainbow color for that again. That looks more like red, Mom. Why don't you ever use this one? Why don't you ever use this one? It looks more like red. Alright. Then once the top stop, then once that head. Mama, don't even do my side. Alright. Now I'm gonna add another layer of the cheek color. Or can I go at the makeup and get another color?
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna see you. Back. I'm back.
Or you just one of those colors?
I guess. I need white. So guys, I'm gonna need a brush to do it. So I'm gonna do a blush, pink, like this color. Can leave that right there. Okay. That. Good. I'm gonna color. To get it.
How are you gonna do white if you already did everything? Ray did the white first.
Well, I need white too. Now I'm gonna go around the horn. I got it in here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go okay. I'm gonna go around the eyebrows because I don't want liquid latex.
This is not liquid latex.
Yeah.
No, that's what I said. Okay, good job.
Don't say latex.
So Mia, why did you decide to do a unicorn?
I started to do a unicorn on this side because all right here because I wanted to do a unicorn, and then because unicorns are cute and not that scary. They're not scary. And they just look cute, and I like unicorns. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. I decided to do Pennywise because I watched It Chapter 1 and I watched It Chapter 2 on September 7th, a day when it came out. And then the movie inspired me to do this makeup.
And I go around the blush.
Gotta go fast.
Okay.
What?
They gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
You're gonna poke my eye. Hey, don't clean yourself in my chair.
Gotta go fast.
Yeah, see that? He was trying to clean his hands in my chair.
Who?
You, I saw you.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Now I'm gonna need.
What?
Okay.
Okay, now I got it. So I'm gonna put it on my cheek because always get another layers once you wait.
Look up.
You're poking my eye.
Okay then.
Get powder onto her, and I'm gonna get smooth.
Foundation.
It's like a beautiful color.
So that's what unicorns look like?
Yeah. What?
Right, so guys, try comparing this. That looks nothing like this. I need to make the cracks in your.
Are you finished?
No.
I'm not finished
I
either.
still need to do the cracks.
I'm not finished either. Guys, I'm gonna go get my step stool, then I can get higher onto my mom. I'm back. The step stool is pink. Now I'm higher. Hi. Why you? I'm just gonna bang my. Oh my god. Ah!
I think I'm done.
Are you?
That piece of the side needs to dry. Cause I just got this beautiful color brown, but I'm not gonna do it yet. Cause I need
I think it came out good.
Yeah.
I need another.
So you're finished?
I need another
You
layer of lipstick.
Now we need to. I think we need to do the eyeshadow next.
I actually need two colors.
Alright, so.
It's these colors. Pink.
Is that the eyeshadow?
Right here.
Oh,
You remember?
You're gonna do my eyeshadow with that?
yeah.
No, you have to do it with the brush.
Oh. I'm so dumb. God dang it. Ah. Oof.
Well, the other turn.
Alright.
How to get another lipstick is this one because I haven't used this one. I used this one first. It's a beautiful color. Pink. But
Yes.
I'm gonna do this one. Oh my gosh. You're getting it out of my mom's
Okay, open. Okay.
Done. Because once it dries, it's gonna be a beautiful color.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna
Okay, so Ray is finished. We're just gonna wait for Mia to finish.
like the horn looks like rainbow. I hope my mom lets me do a video with me and her like this, but not with her.
Oh, just you and me?
Yeah.
Oh. Tell them to like this video if they want to see a video of you and me together.
Subscribe to this video once you want to make a video just like this. Only me and my mom.
Comment down below.
I knocked something.
What?
I knocked some glitter.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
I knew this was gonna happen.
So I'm gonna get the brush I was using for the face. Because I'm gonna use that color for the face again.
Okay.
Because it's gonna look a beautiful color like that
Okay.
once it dries.
Okay.
It's kind of short. Like this one. Compare to one.
You can drop it like Mia just did. She dropped the whole glitter bottle in the table.
But I'm always taking long because unicorns have lots of details. Now I'm gonna get that green for the eyeshadow again. I need to be really careful.
Guys,
Now,
I think Mia should do the makeup tutorials because she explains things better than I do.
yeah. Yeah. Now guys, I'm older.
Okay guys, so let me here's the finished look.
Pennywise.
Pennywise
And unicorn.
and unicorn. Now it's time to look at myself because I haven't seen myself in the mirror. I'm scared.
What?
Oh, it's nice, Mia. I like the horn.
Because it looks like rainbow.
What about my side?
It's nice too. Where are the red lines?
Huh? What red lines?
Well, the ones from Pennywise.
They're right there.
I can hardly see them.
Look, they're right here and they go like that.
Like this video if you guys want to see more videos with the kids, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peace.